Today we will learn the proof of basic proportionality theorem. In it we are given that there is a triangle ABC. Line L passes through point P and Q of side AB and side AC respectively and is parallel to the third side, that is BC of the triangle, and we have to prove that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. We will use the property of ratios of areas of triangle to prove the basic proportionality theorem. So if triangle APQ is considered and if we join BQ, then we get another triangle which is shown in blue color. If we join CP, we get another triangle CPQ which is shown in brown color. So if I draw QM as the altitude, we find that triangle APQ and triangle BPQ have got the same altitude QM, that is their heights are common but their bases are different. AP and PB are the bases of the two triangles. So the area of these triangles will be the ratio of their respective bases. So the first statement that we can write is area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to the ratio of their bases, which is AP upon PB respectively. Similarly, for the two triangles on the right, that is the yellow triangle and the brown triangle, which are given the name APQ and CPQ, they have got the P as their common vertex, and so the altitude, that is the height from P, that is PJ, is common for both the triangles, and therefore the area ratio of their areas also will be equal to the ratio of their bases. So this is the second statement that we can write, that area of the yellow triangle, that is area of triangle APQ, upon area of the brown triangle, that is area of triangle PQC, is equal to the ratio of their bases, which are respectively AQ and QC. The third statement that we can write is that based on this fact that segment PQ, that is common for the blue as well as brown triangle, namely triangle PQB and triangle PQC, and both these triangles have their vertices B and C on the line parallel, that is the segment BC parallel to PQ. So the height of these two triangles is going to be equal and the bases are also common, which will lead to concluding that the area of triangle PQB and PQC will be equal. So this will be our third statement. Area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. Using these three statements, we find that in the first proportion, APQ upon PQB areas is equal to AP upon PB. So using these three statements, we can write this fourth statement, that area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. This statement leads to the conclusion that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC, which are the ratios on the right hand side of the proportion. Thus, we are able to prove the basic proportionality theorem using the property of ratios of areas of triangles.